Hey guys, what's up once more again. I am here today. I am going to show you how to make, what is it, babes? Mega make red pea soup. So I get a brain freeze a while ago. So today I am here to show you how to make red pea soup, yeah, with pigtail. So I'm using some beef over here, some stew beef. I go ahead and put my peas to soak with some garlic. I have my pigtail over here, and I'm using some cow skin in it as well. Can't leave out our yellow yam. I'm using yellow yam. I'm using breadfruit. And you know sweet potato is a must for red pea soup. Yeah. And some corn. And you don't know we can't leave out with flour dumpling. So later on you will see flour dumpling. So I go ahead now and clean up my meat. So coal I catch over there, so don't know bossy around the coal thing for me. I might catch the coal fire in good pan and something there. You see the line juicy peeps? Yeah man, so I just go clean up all of the meats them. Wash them and get them sort out in the pot as soon as the coal light. Alright, I done squeeze out the lime and the cow skin already. Yeah, I use one whole of lime on it, you know. Alright, so I'm going to wash them here and get them clean up, guys. Alright now guys, so I deal with my meat. So this is the beef. You know, I'm going to wash him and get him all clean up. We're throwing out the pot. Wash him off real good, you know. Some lime and things. Alright now guys, so I finished cleaning up my beef, so I'm going to just toss it in the pot. And I'm gonna cover and allow to come to a boil and cook. Outside. Alright guys, so pigtail. Just go clean him up here now. Wash him off good and clean him up and toss him over in the pot as well. Yeah. You know we need a little water to rinse it off. And I leave it in lime to soak. So I throw this and catch some more again and continue to wash him off properly.
Well, babes, I want to make you tell you, brother. Your soup na short and meat.
No time.
Real thing, miss brother.
No time at all.
Yeah, man. Rich. Every think about this make your mouth water.
Yeah. Alright now guys, we're tossing the pigtail in our pot. Yeah man. Cover him, allow him to cook. So we're posting this now, we are wash up and thing. Yeah, we're gonna wash this several times till we get it clean. Then we toss him in our pot, alright? I put up. Alright now guys, I'm going to start in my cow skin right into my pot, and I'm going to give that a nice little stir. I mix up to see what I want there, you know. I eat this man. So I just go and cover and allow to continue cook. Yeah man, so stay with me on the journey of this red pea soup. Alright, so I just have a dash some garlic cloves in my pot. I did have some in there already. I just go ahead and put some more. Because what I have in there wasn't enough anyway. So yeah man, I just going to cover back this and allow it to continue to cook. Yeah. Checking in with my pots right about now. stir and allow to continue cook. Alright now guys, so I'm just checking in. Yeah man, all of the water has boiled down. I'm going to add my corn and I'm adding 2 stalks of scallion and a scotch bonnet pepper. Flavor everything. Alright, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add some water. Because I just see I need more water, right? Yeah man. Nice. Alright, so I eat that guys. Alright, so I'm going to add my water to the pot right about now. So you know, I'm going to cover this now. I want to deal with my food them in the meantime, yeah? Alright, so make that one catch flavor.
Why baby, this one short and nothing, you know. Enough meat, enough corn. What you say?
And that will love don't
I will
hold
tell you.
corn. I don't love whole heap of meat, but whole heap of corn. Corn.
Shot.
Alright now guys, so I'm just going to go ahead now and peel up my breadfruit. I wash it off, so I'm cutting it in 2 half to peel it and drop it in my pot. But guess what now guys, you know some round the back, nice and easy and cozy. I go and take in the nice cool breeze and the hot summer, the hot sun. But you want, this is a yellow heart breadfruit, you know, and them breadfruit I like put in a soup, and them breadfruit I like to roast. But anyway guys, I'm around the back and rain just come down suddenly. But I see the time set up in about me, the rain not fall here man, so you know me just take it for granted. And me look now the rain that start due. Hello, I have to call for help and run come up here so venue change, so I am up here in a different building. Although I love my outside still, but I'm still on the outside same way now, but I'm not around the back. So if you hear any dog barking, anything at all guys, I am still on the outside, just a different venue. Alright? So I peel my breadfruit and drop it in my pot right now, alright? Alright, now finish peeling my breadfruit. You know, give them a nice little wash and thing. Carry them good back over my pot. Yeah? I eat that nice and clean. Alright, so I'm just going to dash in the breadfruit right in our pot. One big pot already inside, guys. Not in rainy Monday. Independence. Alright. Yeah man, so I put a little more water on this. One cover in the meantime. Yeah, make it one cook. Oh, look at me, I peel me, I'm so deal. Jesus, this people got to peel it too deep. Watch it. You couldn't say something and the knife go down too much. Jesus. I can't peel me yam so deep, man. Nice yellow yam.
Peel like you peel pine.
None.
So you peel pine now?
Can't manage the pine, brother. But how me try.
It's a good fruit.
But me use the skin. Remember I use the skin make tea for me and you know put in with clove in there and all them something there so. But you can't use the yam skin to do nothing. So I have to try take my time. Look a knife sharp. Alright, I'm gonna wash off this you know. And get him ready for going in a pot. So I eat this. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse off my yam and now and dice him up. Back in the pot same way. Alright, now so dashing the yam in the pot. Right about now. Like that. Give this a nice little stir. Yeah, man. Alright, so we'll just cover back this and allow it to boil. Allow it to continue to cook. Yeah. Alright, so we just rinse off my sweet potato them to peel them and drop them in the pot. Last piece of food is going to the pot. So guess what? All the pot full of too much food, you know. Come on, soup for drink. Not a lot of food. So guys, let me tell you something. This is one of the main ingredients you need when you're doing a red pea soup. Sweet potato. Trust me. You need this. So we wash them out here now. I'm going to drop them right in our pot, yeah? Come on. Going over to the pot. Alright now guys, what is red pea soup without some cornmeal flour dumpling? Yeah man, so that we're going to drop in the noodles and then we're going to season up the pot and call it a day. So the man, I eat that. I don't know, we can't leave out the spinach, you know. We drop into spinach in this pipe with a vein with dumpling. Roll up 2 spinach and drop it in it, yeah? Grew up seeing my mother doing this. She never cook a soup and put spinach in it. Spinach half in it, especially her stew peas. She half drop in the spinach dumpling then. Alright. Alright guys, the season the pot here now. So I have 2 stalks of scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, springtime, and I have some pimento berries. So you want come on over with me to the pot. Spicy time. Spice him up, you know, nice and lovely. Yeah. Dash in the berries then. Same way. We just want to cover this now and allow to where I left this in simmer. Alright now guys, so you want now I just mix out some noodle in the water. So I just going to go ahead and add it to my pot just to give it some flavor. Alright, so I put this in up. Big pot of red pea soup. Eat that man. So you know, I just gonna cover this and make this simmer now. Cause you know this done, eh? Yeah man, this done right about now, man. This just want to simmer down. I know you don't see I put any salt in the pot, you know, but guess what happened now? The pigtail. I did just use some lime to wash it off, so I didn't boil it off or anything, so that flavor the pot. So yeah man, I don't need to put no salt at all, trust me. Just taste my pot and it, you know, it's alright, see?
Mucho.
Yeah man, it don't need no salt man, this good man. If I put salt in this I got salt. This nice man. No salt needed, yeah? I eat that man. Alrighty. I'm just going to cover back and allow to simmer. Boom. Alright guys, so I eat this, you know. Big pot of red pea soup. Finish. So you don't know the drill. We're going to dive in it as usual. So we're diving at this right now. 1 big pot of red pea soup. Your plate, you know, man. So you come with the plate. Alright, so now we're going to remove with thyme and scallion. Because this don't flavor the pot already. So we don't need this with hamburger when we are share it. Because that always happen. But I go on so like it now and come out. Alright. Alright, so I will share out some food, you know. Big pot of red pea soup. So when I plate them, let them see what I want. Last time I did go not too much, I couldn't eat half so here was not even force no issue with enough nothing like this. What dumpling you want?
Not as much as I can go.
No, not as much as I can handle. Put enough food in them man a plate, you know. Big pot of peas soup, man. Alright, so I eat that. Alright, so this young man say he want only meat. He only want pigtail. He no love soup. So if we just dig out for pigtail and give him. He is not a lover of soup. In my video, they can make you do one of my share out because this I'm not share. See that plate there? That's a big man plate. Can't say you no get no meat now, you know. Can't tell me say you no get no meat and complain about no meat, you know. Say something, no?
Sure that meat I complain about?
No meat you complain about the last time?
Sure that meat,